Hey everyone, Mark here at Seaway Hyundai, here to show you another great pre-owned vehicle. This is a 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe XL Preferred all-wheel drive. Room for up to 7 passengers, 3.5 liter V6 engine, got some good towing capacity, which is nice in case you have a boat or a Sea-Doo or anything like that. You have the capability to do that. It's all-wheel drive, as you can see here. A nice dual exhaust system. Dual exhaust. Not two exhausts, dual exhaust tips. 7 seats. These seats fold flat here, just like that, down, right down there. So you get some extra cargo space if you need it. You got rear temperature controls back there. You got a plug-in right there as well. There's all your vents here. Power lift gate. So we can do a quick walk around so you can see this vehicle is in really nice shape. Nice silver color. You got the alloy wheels to match. Turn signal indicators. Nice meaty tires. Fog lights. So the reason we like to do these videos is we're fully transparent, show you the vehicle inside out so you know exactly what it looks like before you come in and see us. You know, a lot of people from out of town, we've even delivered vehicles without customers seeing the vehicle based on pictures, photos, our descriptions. We like to do that so that way if you are from out of town, you know exactly what you're buying when we deliver it to you. Cloth seats, everything in nice shape. We have all the carpet mats, they're just not in it right now. It just came out of the detail department, so they're probably drying, but as you can see the carpets are all in nice shape. You got 2-stage heated seats on the rear, both sides. You also get these really nice privacy shades, which is a great feature, especially if you're like me, if you have kids or animals for that matter. Keep the sun off them in those sunnier days. Proximity key, you just hit that, you have the key on your in your pocket. Hit it once, your front driver's door unlock. Hit it twice, all doors will unlock. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Power driver's seat with lumbar support. We'll jump in, show you some of the additional features. We'll hit the push button to start here. We'll start over here, show you some of the additional features. You can adjust your interior illumination. Drive mode, because it's electric steering, you can adjust how you drive it. You have downhill brake assist control. You have traction control, which you can shut off. 4-wheel drive lock for those really snowy days. You can set it so it's in continuous 4-wheel drive. You have a heated steering wheel, definitely my favorite feature right now. You have lane departure warning, called blind spot detection, and you have adaptive cruise, which is a really nice feature. You have your cruise set, you get too close to a car, the vehicle automatically starts slowing itself down. All your volume controls, your Bluetooth hands-free calling, your information center. So if I hit those things, I can toggle through some different options here, and adjust the preferences of the vehicle to my liking. So I will leave that for now, but that's something you can adjust when you purchase. All your cruise controls here, and you can also adjust your adaptive cruise to how close you want it to allow you to get to another vehicle. An electric parking brake. You have 3-stage heated seats on both sides. You have all your auxiliaries and inputs down there. Dual zone climate control. We'll make our way up. All the temperature gauges, very easy to use. Front and rear defrost. You can turn on the rear so that people in the back can use their own controls to control how hot or cold it is. And you have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, which is a really nice feature, so you don't have to go up to our top line model anymore to get navigation. You just plug your phone in, have real-time traffic reports, navigation screen built right onto your screen here. Really handy if you plan on taking a vacation or traveling. And obviously a backup camera. You've got a compass on the mirror. So a lot of standard features, room for 7, V6. Factory warranty, I didn't even mention that, only 43,000 kilometers. Factory warranty up to 100. So as always, you can shop 24/7 at seawayhyundai.com.